Do you ever wake up feeling exhausted even after a full night's sleep? You're not alone. Millions of people experience this frustrating phenomenon. It can be incredibly disheartening to drag yourself out of bed, despite clocking in the recommended 7 to 8 hours. This persistent tiredness can impact every aspect of your day, from your mood to your productivity. Many people accept this morning fatigue as a normal part of life. However, it's important to remember that waking up tired isn't something you should simply accept. There are concrete reasons why you might be feeling this way. Understanding these reasons is the first step towards reclaiming your mornings and feeling refreshed and energized throughout the day. The solution might not always be as simple as getting more sleep. While sleep duration is crucial, the quality of your sleep is equally important. It's time to delve deeper into the factors that contribute to morning fatigue and explore ways to address them. One reason you might feel groggy even after a full night's rest is sleep inertia. Sleep inertia is that period of grogginess you experience immediately after waking up. It's like your brain is stuck in first gear, struggling to shift into a higher gear. This foggy feeling can last anywhere from 15 minutes to several hours, impacting your cognitive abilities and making it difficult to focus, make decisions, and even perform simple tasks. Several factors can influence the severity of sleep inertia. These include sleep deprivation, the timing of your sleep-wake cycle, certain medications, and even genetics. Interestingly, waking up during deep sleep can exacerbate sleep inertia. While sleep inertia explains those initial groggy hours, what if you continue feeling tired throughout the day, despite getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep? This is where the concept of sleep quality comes into play. It's not just about how long you sleep. It's about how well you sleep. Imagine sleep as a meal. You wouldn't expect to feel satisfied after eating a meal that lacks essential nutrients. Similarly, sleep has different stages, each serving a specific purpose in restoring and rejuvenating your body and mind. If your sleep is constantly disrupted or you're not spending enough time in the deeper stages of sleep, you may wake up feeling unrefreshed, even after a seemingly adequate duration. If you suspect that poor sleep quality is the culprit behind your persistent tiredness, it's essential to identify the underlying causes. Several factors can disrupt your sleep and prevent you from achieving restful, restorative sleep. 8 hidden causes of daytime tiredness. Let's explore 8 common reasons why you might be waking up tired and discuss practical solutions to help you reclaim your mornings. Firstly, underlying health conditions. Sometimes, fatigue is a symptom of an underlying medical condition. Conditions like chronic pain, thyroid disorders, anemia, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or COPD can disrupt sleep and lead to persistent tiredness. If you experience chronic fatigue, it's crucial to consult with your doctor to rule out any underlying health issues. Secondly, a sedentary lifestyle. Physical activity plays a vital role in regulating your energy levels. Leading a sedentary lifestyle can make you feel sluggish and contribute to poor sleep quality. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise per week. Next, anxiety and depression. Mental health conditions like anxiety and depression can significantly impact your sleep. These conditions can make it difficult to fall asleep, stay asleep, and achieve restful sleep. If you're struggling with anxiety, depression, or other mental health concerns, seek professional help from a therapist or counselor. Another cause is an inconsistent sleep schedule. Your body thrives on routine, especially when it comes to sleep. Inconsistent sleep schedules, particularly differences between weekday and weekend sleep times, can disrupt your natural sleep-wake cycle and lead to a phenomenon known as social jet lag. Try to maintain a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends, to regulate your body's natural rhythm. Dehydration is another factor. Even mild dehydration can lead to fatigue and decreased alertness. Make sure you're drinking enough fluids throughout the day. The Institute of Medicine recommends a daily fluid intake of about 15.5 cups, or 3.7 liters, for men and about 11.5 cups, or 2.7 liters for women. Poor sleep environment and bedtime routines also play a role. Your sleep environment and bedtime routines can significantly impact your sleep quality. Create a conducive sleep environment by keeping your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine that signals to your body that it's time to wind down. This could include taking a warm bath, reading a book, or listening to calming music. Sleep disruptions from partners or pets can be an issue as well. Sharing a bed with a partner or pets can sometimes lead to sleep disruptions. Snoring, tossing and turning, different sleep schedules, and even pet movements can fragment your sleep and prevent you from achieving restful sleep. If you suspect your partner's snoring might be a sign of sleep apnea, encourage them to consult a medical professional. Lastly, sleep disorders. Sleep disorders such as sleep apnea, narcolepsy, and restless leg syndrome can significantly impact your sleep quality and leave you feeling exhausted during the day. If you suspect you might have a sleep disorder, consult a sleep specialist for a proper diagnosis and treatment plan. Reclaiming your morning energy. Waking up tired can be frustrating, but it's not an insurmountable challenge. By understanding the potential causes of your fatigue and making simple lifestyle changes, you can significantly improve your sleep quality and reclaim your mornings. Remember, prioritizing your sleep is crucial for your overall health and well-being. If you continue to experience persistent fatigue despite implementing these tips, don't hesitate to consult a medical professional to rule out any underlying health conditions. Check out more helpful tips on the Sleep Well Network channel.